following program is in described video for the visually impaired. It is also suggested that you listen to it under the influence of heavy drugs. Thank you.
Welcome back, beards and beardettes. Today we are doing yet another video in the line of Broke Boy Teks or Forgotten Teks. Today we're going to be talking about Petri dishes. Now, you might be wondering, what are you doing with that tape container? Because that's indeed what it is. It is a... I'm not really sure what brand it was, but it's a... You can buy electrical tape by the single rolls in these containers. A very good friend of mine named Fatal, FrontLineFatal, some of you may know him, was the one that gave me this idea. As a matter of fact, not only did he give me this idea, he sent me probably close to about a dozen of these. He'd been using them for a while, and first I thought it was kind of silly, but then I noticed that he kept up with them. He kept using them. And I asked him, I said, "Man, are those reusable?" And he said, "Yes, sir, they are." And I was like, I showed you on another video. Let's see if we can't get it to focus here. We'll look for this symbol. Right, I'm trying to put it in the middle of the... I don't know if it's picking it up or not. Anyway, that is the recyclable symbol, and it has a number 5 and the letters PP in it, and that is because it's made out of polypropylene, and which makes it awesome, much like the electrolyte bottles that we use for doing agar pours that are safe for the PC. So are these. So you can use these over and over and over again. That's right. Now, the tape that comes in them is not cheap, but it is possible that you or someone you know uses electrical tape. And if they do, you can ask them to hold on to these for you, because they're pretty awesome. You know, they're literally considered trash after you use them. So this is a complete repurpose and a reuse of these containers. Now, they are fairly large size. I'd say they are around the same size as a 120 millimeter Petri dish. So yeah, that's awesome. Another thing I really like about them is that they snap shut, right? So much like the portion cups or the K cups or the condiment cups, whichever you know them by, they do not require to be sealed. You don't need to use any parafilm or Reynolds wrap or grafting tape, whatever it is you're using to seal your plates with. They're good to go, just like they are, just like the K cups. So I hope this helps somebody out there. This is something that would literally be free. You could probably go to any either electrical supply shop or to a shop where electricians work and ask for these. And if they say they don't have any, say, "Hey, I'll give you $1 a piece for them if you save them for me." And they are absolutely worth $1 a piece. I've reused that one right there probably at least a good dozen times, and I'm sure that's on the low end. I've run it through the PC more than that, but I don't want to over exaggerate either. You know, they work great. So this is tape container Petri dishes on Broke Boy Teks, Forgotten Teks. Hopefully we'll have a lot more of these videos coming your way. I plan on doing at least a year-long series of these things, trying to help people get started with next to, if not nothing. So, hope you're enjoying the series so far. Hope you guys stay safe out there and happy cultivating.
It's my ever-living partner.